unmute. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, thank you. And this is the page content should be from body tag to here, closing body tag. And the server side logic should be always inside the font tag. Now you'll see, go to the toolbox, and these are all standard. This is especially for HTML. Client side page designing, server side page designing. Now in a C#, all forms should be in C#. We cannot add one form in VB.NET and one form in C#.NET. All forms are in C# only. If you want coding, we can write one file in VB, one file in C# like that. But the designing should not change in a different languages. But whereas websites, we can add HTML page. So now here it is HTML page. This is HTML. Just we can simply give it a home and add it. So one page in HTML, one page in ASP.NET. Now you can understand here no more controls are there other than HTML. Only the HTML related controls we can add to HTML web page. But whereas here ASP.NET, once we double click on homepage.aspx, it will display all the tabs, includes HTML. So it has many controls. Front-end interface is changing. And one more thing, here we can see the same labels. Just now, whatever login design we used, label. This is a design for a login. One is for a label. The text is for email ID. And we have a text box. It is for email ID purpose. So we can use txt email ID. So email ID, one text box. And one more label we can take for password. So text is password. And one more text box we want for adding the data, password, and button. The button text is login. Now we will see a design. So here this is login. We want one break. Press enter. And this is email ID. There, just press enter. Password, and afterwards press enter. The login design. Now we can go to the source. This control, design, and here is source. So it is break. Go to next line. Now here, see, every control has runNet equal to server. runNet equal to server. If we remove this runNet equal to server attribute, then we cannot see the design. It is showing the error message. No runNet equal to server attribute. Means every ASP.NET control should have the attribute called as runNet equal to server. See, all controls are starts with ASP, label, ASP, text box, ASP, button. Now see, the same design, we can do it in HTML as well. Go to the toolbox. Here we can directly write whatever content we needed, or we can have a spam tag. There we can use email ID, and here is text box, and this is break, and next password, and this is one more text box, and then break. and we need a button, submit button. The text is login. Their text property in HTML value property. Null here. So both will be similar, but only small difference. It is only having HTML controls. Now you can observe all HTML controls are having ID property type. It is a text box, type equal to text. It is type. It is submit button, type equal to button. If you want password mode, we can take type as password mode. So now we will run HTML form. Right click on next one, view in browser. Session is recording, so it is somewhat bit of slow.